Hello everyone, welcome back to my another Premiere Pro tutorial. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to make countdown animation in Adobe Premiere Pro. So let's jump to the Premiere Pro. Welcome back to the Premiere Pro. At first, take a background and drag and drop it to the work area. Then take a new transparent video sequence. Make sure to take 25 frames per second sequence as it will be a countdown animation, so frame rate is very important here. Drag and drop the transparent video layer in the work area. Now go to Effect and search for Timecode effect. Drag and drop it to the transparent video layer. Then check off the fill symbol from the Timecode effect. Increase the size and reposition it center on the screen. Now make the transparent 0% to remove the black shadow. Then select the transparent video layer and go to Effect and search for Crop effect. Drag and drop it to the transparent video layer. We need only minute and seconds portion of the timecode effect, so I'll crop it from the left and right to make it perfect for minute and seconds countdown animation. It's perfect now. Make it little bit longer till before the frame of 6 seconds. Take a new circle shape. Make sure to take stroke shape. Change the stroke color as you want. I have used bright green color. Increase the stroke size a bit. Select the shape from the essential graphics and duplicate it. Rename the duplicate layer. Select the duplicate layer and make it a little bit smaller from the main shape. Now center align both the shape layer. Now select the graphics layer and go to Effect and search for Radial Wipe effect. Drag and drop it to the graphics layer. Now go to first frame and click on the transition completion stopwatch and go to 1 or 2 frames forward and make it about 100%. Move the point in the last frame. Let's preview the video. Now it's time for reverse effect. Select the transparent video layer and right click on the mouse and go to next option and select OK. Now go to option again and select speed and duration options and click on the reverse speed. You just made a cool countdown animation video. If you like my tutorial, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get latest tutorial updates. Thank you for watching. See you soon in the next tutorial.